We're going to set this worksheet up for printing. The first thing I want to do is go over to my View tab and choose Page Layout View. I can also choose it in the little shortcut buttons down here. This gives me a preview of what my page is going to look like when it's printed. And I can see that one of my columns is not quite fitting on the page. At this point, I can resize columns or hide columns to try to have everything fit. But I think what I want to do in this case is change my page orientation to horizontal instead of vertical, because that will give me more room. So to do that, I go over to my Page Layout tab, choose Orientation, and Landscape. And if I zoom out my view a little here, I'll see that that's going to fit pretty well. If you want to make more adjustments, this Page Layout tab is where you can change your margins. You can choose from a couple different preset options, or you can customize them. If I wanted to repeat this header row at the top of every printed page, I would click the Print Titles button here. And under Rows to Repeat at the top, I'm going to click this button, which allows me to choose the row I want printed. Go over to the row number and click it, and you'll see I added the row number in here. Click this button again to expand the window and hit OK. And now that header row is going to print at the top of each page. You can also scale the page up or down to fit the number of pages that you specify. So let's say I want this entire worksheet to fit on one page. I could choose 1 page wide by 1 page high. And it's going to shrink the data down as much as it has to have everything fit on one page. You can also choose to print your grid lines by checking or unchecking, or you can also print the headings, which are the column letters and row numbers if you want. If I'm ready to print at this point, I go to the File tab, and I can choose Print to send it to a printer. I'll get a preview here of what it's going to look like. If I want to save a PDF, I go to Save and Send, Create PDF or XPS document, click the button there, and then here I just choose what I want to name it and where I want to save it.